this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the OPSWAT Endpoint SDK to be able to use the anti-screen capabilities inside a Chrome or Edge browser. To do this, I've written a small extension that will allow us to send a request to an existing agent that is installed on the system. That existing agent is integrated into the OPSWAT Endpoint SDK. So my extension is called Oasis Native Messaging. What will happen is when I hit any website that is not opswat.com, it will attempt to disable anti-screen capture capabilities. When I hit opswat.com, it is going to enable the anti-screen capture capability. My agent right now is actually emulated right here with this little command line utility. This is running as a system in the system context, just like most agents would be. You could also do this in a browser. You do need to have administrator rights to be able to use this functionality. All right, I'm going to go to the website that we have here. You can see on the right here that I'm using a video screen capture debut capability to be able to show what is being currently captured inside my window. If I click on other things, you'll see that it is actually capturing that information. Now I'm going to attempt to go to opswat.com. And what's going to happen here is that as soon as the page loads, it's going to send an event over to my agent, and it's going to turn off the screen capture capability. As you can see here, it is now black. I'm now going ahead and looking at everything that is available on OPSWAT. It's a highly secure site, so we definitely don't want to make sure it's shared. All right, let's go ahead and go back to Google, in which case we've sent that request back to our agent and we've turned anti-screen capture off. And so you can now see that everything is being screen captured on the right. So this is just one small example of how you can use the powerful OPSWAT Endpoint SDK to add security features to your system. Thank you very much.